Firstly, I would like to say a woman can do anything. So, if a woman really wants to pursue her dream, she can really make it happen. She has to be a badass to pursue it, and she has to be relentless.
You guys have come a long way. You started off with 3D printing, and now I see that you ventured out into multiple, things. Could you throw some light on that?
Yeah, so it's been a long journey, but yet every day seems to be just a start. We take ideas, so there are innovators who come to us with product ideas. There are companies who come to us, large enterprises, government bodies. We take those ideas, we engineer them, and we deliver prototype, functional prototype, mass. We then take them to small batches, which they are able to introduce their product into market, and then we also help them in mass production and assembly. We closely work with R&D and product development teams of government agencies, Indian government agencies, startups, and even large enterprises.
What, as an entrepreneur, were you able to decipher throughout your journey? Was it constant innovation, or was it being open to all kinds of projects, or what was the secret sauce to such amazing growth?
So it was constant innovation, I would say. So throughout our journey, we have been whenever we were innovating or we were expanding ourselves in the next to the next move.
Yeah.
Our customers have validated the need of our services,
Right.
and that's how we have grown from just doing 3D printing to product design to engineering a complete product to
Okay.
to adding all the electronics, firmware, software, everything.
Right, right. So what I hear is you've been open to your clients' needs, open to innovating as per their needs.
As per their needs, and also so we learn about new products, or we can see gaps. So that's where our innovation and
Right. You see the opportunity in that gap. Lovely. Manya, I want to talk to you a little about teams. A lot of entrepreneurs struggle with that, and this is something you said in the first interview with Feminista, that it is hard to hire, reliable, independent thinking human resource in India. What is your take on that now?
We have an open innovation culture where we do not have hierarchy. All the people, all the engineers that we have, they report directly to us, and we believe in training leaders. 2.5 years we managed with 3 people. We always add people where we see synergy. So our hiring process is stringent. It might take us some time to bring you in the family, but once you are there, we only bring people whom we see have the same energy and have the same culture fit. After the pandemic, we have been adding, and we see that in the next month or two, we will be exponentially growing the team, because the need for that has come right now.
Okay.
So when we add people, they stay with us.
No.
We give them the feeling of belongingness. They get that feeling of belongingness because our people make us. They are driving they're driving it.
Lovely. Your team is driving you, and you're driving them. Manya, what is your advice to women entrepreneurs who are working from home? And there are new age mothers who are entrepreneurs, even women entrepreneurs who handle a lot of house responsibilities, because it's a very integral part of the Indian culture that the woman is the nurturer of the household.
So firstly, I would like to say a woman can do anything. So that's one thing. Then it's about your dreams. So, and we live our dream every day. Like women, even if it is they're nurturing their family or all of that. So it's their dream that drives them to make things happen. So entrepreneurship is intrinsic to them. So if a woman really wants to pursue her dream, she can really make it happen. So there's that push that she has to. So she has to be very confident, and she has to be a badass to pursue it, and she has to be relentless. It might happen sometimes that a woman entrepreneur or a woman with dreams or someone who's just wanting to start or has started might face some hurdle, and there might be a pause, but that pause happens to everyone, if it's a woman or a man or any entrepreneur or anyone with dream. But what matters is whether you quit or you continue. The pause does not matter at all. How long it takes does not matter at all. Whether you stick to it matters. So for me, dreams have always come true, and I believe the same happens to everyone who pursues it.
Very interesting. So perseverance is the key. What do you see with your company now in the next 3 years?
We see ourselves leading India's Make in India campaign. We see ourselves making like new products, completely new products being developed from scratch and all those things. So we want to extend our new product development expertise to every innovator out there, to all the big and the small companies working for it, in whatsoever matter, and make their products come alive, go to market, and make India self-reliant. So I think that is what we will do, and I'm very confident. I'm very sure that in the next, if you are interviewing me after 2 years, you see me there.
Absolutely. I hope so too. Lots of love and lots of luck to you. Keep killing it. Keep being the badass.